Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail, and today I have something so special to review. And today this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills with Nicole Guerriero. I would like to tell you guys a short story for this one. I remember when it first came out when I was in college and I couldn't afford this one and I wanted so bad. But now I'm so happy that they restock this one after they said they're gonna discontinue or something, but I'm glad they brought it back and I'm so excited because right now I can't afford it and I would like to do some review on my channel. So if you want to know the review of this glow kit from Anastasia with Nicole Guerriero, just stay tuned. I love the packaging. Oh my god, let's unbox it. And this is the box. It's like it fit the package perfectly. Let me take it out. Oh, I'm not sure if it's the same packaging as the first one. I don't remember. But this one is the pale pink. It has some glitter all around the packaging. It looks so cute. This is the actual package. Oh my god. Looks so beautiful. And I love the name that they have, the kitty cat Forever Young Daydream 143 Glow Getter Forever Lit. I feel like a lot of brand, when this one came out, I feel like a lot of brand try to copy this kind of shade. I would say they try to do it like this kind of like warm, not too warm, but kind of orangey shade. I think it's really unique. I think this is the first one that came out back then. And I was so drawn to this pinky shade. I think this palette is an OG even though I didn't try back then, but I know it's like a big thing back then, so I would swatch all of these shades on my hands and then I would swatch each shade on my face as well. So let's do it. So I would like to try Kitty Cat first. It came out a lot and I haven't wet my brush yet. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's so blinding. Super blinding, I love it. For my opinion, I think it exactly matches my skin tone. I'm not sure about darker skin that you would like it. It's kind of light in my opinion, but I haven't wet my brush and I just tapped some few times and not too hard and it came out. My goodness. And when I tap it out, it just like get out a bit, but I kind of like the powdery highlighter way more than wet highlight. That's just how I feel. I don't know. So let's try the other cheek with the Daydream. Oh my god, it came out so much. It's just 3 taps, like not hard at all. This one looks so interesting. Wow. I think this one would match any skin tone. Looks so warm. And the color looks kind of unique. It's a little bit warm tone, not too light, and kind of looks like you're like get some tan, you're in the sun, something like that. Wow, it looks really beautiful. I never have something like this before. Oh my god, Daydream. But it's not as blinding as this kitty cat. So I would like to try one more dip. Oh my god, this one. I think it will look so beautiful with darker skin. I'm so shook and I'm so happy I get to try this one. I'll be right back for more swatches on my face. Alright guys, for the next one, I would like to try this one. Forever Young. I think it looks kind of warm. I love the name. So, let's try it on. This one looks a little bit warmer, so this one can go for the blinding as well, and it looks a little bit warm but super blinding. I like it. Interesting. I think this one looks great for everybody. It has some kind of champagne reflex. Yes, beautiful. Let's try the Forever Led. Looks so white. I hope it's not too white for my skin. Oh my god, it's white. I think if you're super pale, you would love this one. I think it's a little bit lighter for my skin tone. I know I could make it work, but this one is super blinding. And for the texture, I think this one is my least favorite. I think it's not that super melted and blended on your skin. So it makes me curious to spray on my brush to see if it would look better. Alright. I would give it 10 out of 10 for the level of the blinding, but I think this one is not as melted, but it looks snatched, so that's the only bad thing that I can say. And I'm back. So today I'm gonna try these two colors. The first one is 143 and the other one is Glow Getter. I love the name, so let's try the 143. I like the texture of this one. It's so pigmented, a little go a long way, and it melted into my skin, if you can see it. This one has some kind of neutral tone. I think it will look good on anybody, any skin tone. And the Glow Getter, I'm so excited. It's a Glow Getter. Oh my god. It's definitely so pigmented. It does have some kind of gold reflex, but it's not too obvious. So I'm gonna put more. I could say that it's kind of warmer. It's not too dark on my skin tone. This one looks so beautiful. Wow. So blinding. I haven't even sprayed anything on my brush at all. My god. I love the Glow Getter. It has some kind of champagne in it. I could feel like this one reminds me of the champagne pop. So I'm gonna swatch on my hands. So Kitty Cat, Forever Young, Daydream, Forever Red, Awesome Blinding. and the last one 143. Sorry if this is a bad swatch, but they all look so cute. Alright guys, so I have my final thought. So for this palette, I think it's really amazing and special to me because I always wanted this one. I feel like this color is a little bit too light for me, and this one is not as pigmented and melted into your skin just like other. And other than that, I think this palette is so special. I really love this warm orangey tone for this one, and I love the pinky highlighter. The Glow Getter is a universal one if you ask me. I think it will look perfect on anybody. This one is beautiful as well. I mean, not gonna lie, these two are beautiful as well, but I don't love it as much as other 4 shades. So for around 40 bucks, and you get 6 shades of highlighter at this high end. So I like it. I love this palette. I'm definitely gonna use this palette every day. So that's my quick, easy, silly review of mine. So I hope you guys enjoy this review. Thank you so much for watching.